The gentleman in the trench is taking readings with the story pole. He's working with the laser transit to maintain a 1/8 inch drop for every linear foot of trench. You can see how we pile the dirt on plywood for easy cleanup. There's a storm drain catch basin that we're pouring into the sidewall of. This side is done. We had the dirt piled up on plywood on the sidewalk, and you can see when we get done, all you need is a broom. Attention to detail when installing an underground drainage system is very important. We like to leave a property as we had found it. We come in, we cut the sod off, we install the system, we put the turf back in place. You can hardly tell that this type of construction actually occurred. For an underground drainage system, curtain drains, French drains, dry wells, give us a call.